Do you want to know what the next generation BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe will look like? Are you curious about its performance, features, and launch date? If you are a fan of the small and sporty sedan from the Bavarian brand, you don't want to miss this video. We have exclusive renderings and information about the upcoming f74 model that will replace the current one after just 4 years on the market. Our friends at KOLESA.ru have created these amazing renderings based on the spy photos of the prototypes that were spotted earlier this year. As you can see, the new 2 Series Gran Coupe will have a sharper and more aggressive look, inspired by the larger 5 Series. The headlights are slimmer and more angular, while the kidney grille is thankfully not oversized like on some other BMW models. The front bumper also has larger air intakes and a sporty lip spoiler. The side profile doesn't change much, except for the new design of the wheels and mirrors. The rear end, however, gets a major makeover with new taillights that are connected by a thin LED strip. The trunk lid also has an integrated spoiler, while the lower bumper features 4 exhaust pipes that hint at a powerful engine under the hood. Speaking of which, the new 2 Series Gran Coupe will continue to use a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine for its top-of-the-line M235 xDrive model, which is expected to deliver around 300 horsepower. It will also have an all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic transmission. The lower trim levels will likely have less powerful versions of the same engine, as well as some diesel options for certain markets. The new 2 Series Gran Coupe will also have some interesting features inside, such as an illuminated grille that can change colors depending on the driving mode, a digital instrument cluster, and a large touchscreen infotainment system. The production of the new 2 Series Gran Coupe is scheduled to start in November 2024, which means we can expect to see it in showrooms by early 2025. It will be one of the last combustion-powered models from BMW, as the company plans to switch to full electrification by 2030. That's all we have for today about the new BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe. What do you think about its design and performance? Do you like it more than the current model? Let us know in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.